Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back for another live stream. What's up, Easy Rye? Sorry if I keep pronouncing your name wrong. Everardo, Ryan, Merity, hello. Let me get set up on TikTok real quick. Hello, everybody on TikTok, on YouTube. Today's a good day. Yes. All right, sorry, I'm not going to name everyone's names again. You guys are coming in hot. So give me a second. Hello, LSS. I don't know anything about, or I don't have any predictions about LSS. Luna. I mean, I've been saying Luna to $100. 1 second. I am live on YouTube. What I think of Shiba, I would stay away from Shiba. Thank you, Shari. Let's see. Hello. What I think of ACH. That's another one I don't know enough about. So what's up? You think we pop again soon? I think over time, over days. Yeah, like 3 days from now, sure, we'll be higher than we are now. They slept on that Bitcoin call. Yes, sir. Anchor to $1. IOTA, bullish in general, but I don't have any price predictions. Quant, Abit, Stale, Litecoin having a go. Yes, all right. Thank you, Bartek. Thoughts on ZIL, price prediction like $1, $1.50, something like that. Just sold everything and put it on Shiba. Oh no, Lucci, I'm assuming you're joking about that. So why is Quant going down? I have no idea. Yeah. Quant is just its own thing. It has a mind of its own. So Jay, good weekend. Had a good weekend. Thank you, Alice. Ethereum Classic, $300 or so. When are we making a new all-time high? La de Coon. Soon. Let me pull out my crystal ball, but soon. Yeah, Lucio, yes. Litecoin prediction. Yeah, Quant is Quant. Quant does what Quant does. So Santa Bazillionaire. Oh, yeah, that's Santa stuff, man. All right. Okay, yeah, by the way, while I'm on TikTok, not talking about the Christmas coin. Sorry, I don't want to get banned. What do you think Crow will go to? Higher than my original projection of 50 cents. Let's see, Phantom, $10 to $15, Lithium Finance, don't know enough. Yeah, that Christmas coin, we'll talk about that at a later time. Litecoin, $1,500 still. Matic, $8. Yeah, I've been spot on, thank you. But Phantom, I think, is going to go to $10 to $15. All right, Harvinder, I'm new to crypto. I was confused on whether I should wait until the bear market so I can purchase some cryptos. Also, cryptos you got that I would invest in right now, Litecoin. For say trades, I would say wait until the bear market. But for short-term trades, I would say now is a good time. So hey, what's up, Fry? How do I and the blockchain boy make money on Kucoin? I'm not sure what you mean. We just invest in stuff and we get returns. So Lithium Finance, don't know FTM 1500. Bro, do you know how much Constellation DAG? I don't know much about DAG, no price prediction. Christmas coin, not talking about that right now. I'm not while I'm on live on TikTok. I don't want to get banned. ETH prediction 15,000. All right, Crypto Hustler. Ooh, I hope you're right. Crow hitting 3 cents in the bear market. That would be awesome. I would back the truck up on Crow. So making so much money with Litecoin, that's what I love to hear. Just seeing your challenge from Kucoin. Do you think I'll be able to sell larger cap coins like VET and HBAR to put them into Kucoin coins as well? Yeah, you could. Yep. Now here's the deal with Kucoin. If you're in the United States, you can't do KYC, so you have to transfer crypto onto Kucoin. Trios, very bullish on Trios. I need to get in on that on Kucoin. No price predictions. Matic, $8. Hello, Roosevelt. Bro, up 10% on Litecoin, sell or hold. I think it's going to $1,500. So, what's that? So what's my Elrond prediction? I don't have one, but I'm bullish. Price prediction, Haka. Man, people are sucking me in on Haka, saying 500x. That just sounds crazy to me. I don't have one. I'll say at least 10x. So Litecoin prediction this month, maybe 300, 350. So price predictions when everything drops. I'm not going to say everything. I'll say for Bitcoin, I think it's going to go to $50 or $50,000 or so. Will Zilliqa peak in January? That would be my guess. Yeah. Cadena, very bullish on Cadena. It's rising in market cap. I didn't realize how big its market cap was. It's a top 50 coin now. I could see it going into the top 30, but I don't have any price predictions. Cardano, is Cardano good to buy now? Let's see, at $2.10, I think that's still fine. Litecoin, yeah, let's see. Smart to put 1K in Zill. I think so. What's up, Trump rules? Vet still to 50 cents or different thoughts now? I mean, I could see it go a little higher than that. So Cadena to 200. I'm not sure where it is right now. I remember seeing like over $20, maybe. All right, Harvinda answered your question. Murtaza, I'm well. I hope you're well. What do you think of Hero? Not really paying much attention to Hero. I look at its chart every now and then. I'm wondering why it's underperforming. Guys, follow me on TikTok. Those of you on TikTok watching my live stream right now, I'm your go-to guy for Bitcoin predictions and thoughts and everything. And I will adjust if I'm wrong, but so far I've been very right. Very, very right. Should I sell my Shiba Inu now? I mean, it just depends. You know, how much Shiba do you own? If you own like $100 worth, I'd say just hold on to it, you know? So coffee is for closers. Okay. Hola, Steve. Yeah, VeChain still, you know, maybe higher than 50 cents. Matic price prediction, $8. Kucoin is a lot more confusing. All right. Kucoin does have a learning curve. I downloaded Kucoin a few weeks ago and I figured it out, you know, so when is the bear market roughly? Can you give me 3 cryptos you're fairly confident about that I should invest in? Litecoin, I'm just going to say Litecoin, sorry. Bear market, I think Bitcoin's going to peak in December and other cryptos are going to peak in January. Most other cryptos will peak in January. So first peak for Bitcoin in this bull run is between 75 to 85K. Should I sell my alts and re-enter? What do you mean for first? I don't think the first peak. I mean, the first peak was like in April at 64K. I'm not sure what you're talking about. Do you pick up any Cadena since the last time I asked? No, I didn't, but I plan on it. So when does ADA pump? ADA goes sideways for a very long time and then pumps like crazy out of nowhere. So I don't know. Crow target for this bull run. I've been saying 50 cents. I need to revise that. I mean, it seems like $1. So Jorans, hello. VeChain, more than 50 cents. I've been saying 50 cents. I just want to know about Hero and Cadena. Yeah, I've been talking a lot about that. So time frame for your price targets, December and January. UMA, don't know enough. NCAN, don't know enough. UMA, nope. Yeah, Cadena's crazy coin for the past 4 days has been blowing up. Yeah, so all right, guys, if you're asking about Cadena because it's been blowing up, I would hold off on it. I would hold off. Thoughts on Time Wonderland? Is it a Ponzi? That's a great question. It's completely unsustainable. One of two things has to happen with Wonderland. Either the price has to crash or the return, the APY has to crash. It can't it can't do both of those. So, or it can't just stay where it is. That's what I've been trying to say. Just get on KuCoin and navigate around. It's a little confusing at first, but not too bad. Yes. All right, Russell Stake, Golden Pony Boy. What are you talking about? Luna to 150, maybe 150. I've been saying $100. So Shiba is dead? No, not necessarily. Nope. I mean, Shiba, for it to be where it is right now, that's 2x of its all-time high from May. So, hey, what's up, Sambo? Back in the States. King of crypto. I would not yet call myself that yet, but maybe one day. So Time is a Ponzi scheme. I mean, if you're going to say that, I'm not going to argue with you about that. Yeah. So what do you expect? When do you expect Tel to pop? Maybe late this month. So yeah, VXV, I noticed VXV is starting to pump. Blake, thank you. What fundamentals do you think will skyrocket Litecoin to 1,500? Look at the Litecoin to Bitcoin pair. It's a massive descending wedge. It's this year's Doge. So Zilliqa prediction, $1, $1.50, something like that. Will all coins be lower than they are now when it's a bear? I think so. I think most of them will be, yes. Matic prediction for short term. I don't know, maybe close the month at 250. SafeMoon thoughts. I think SafeMoon's going to go back to its all-time high. Do you think a 1140 top is for Litecoin is good? I mean, I'm more bullish than that, but I'd be very happy if Litecoin got to 1140. Yeah, Crow's doing well. Yeah. Bitcoin SV, nothing. No thoughts. Retest or nah? I think we're going to go higher still. So man, there's this guy Swing Trade Brian on TikTok who made a video saying that he sold all of his Bitcoin and ETH. It was at like the price in the background was $60,300. And this was over the weekend. And then I can't find his TikTok anymore. I think he deleted it. So easiest way to purchase off of PancakeSwap. I don't know how you purchase on PancakeSwap. It's like it's connected to your Trust Wallet or MetaMask. You could, what did I say is this year's Doge? Litecoin. So Ethereum price in the bull, 15,000. You have any thoughts on XDC? Yep, just bought some today. It's been down over 50%. You have any price predictions? I don't have any price predictions, but I think it's going to outperform XLM and XRP on the way up. So do you think Solana could hit $500 a cycle? I think I'm thinking more like 600. So Young, not going to talk about that right now. Crypto dip, thank you. Thoughts on cross wallet coin? Don't know anything about that. Thank you, Lucci. I want to buy cake and stake, reaccumulate into stake too. Do you think this is a good idea? Yes, fan, yes. Yes. But I think it's fine now, but it's much better. I think it's much better to do it in the bear market. So should I hold on to Dogecoin? Thank you, Gabby. Man, Doge is a little bit, it's like a lot of these cryptos are going to pump. I'm a little bit nervous that Doge went a little too crazy. I'd say it's like 50-50 that it's going to go higher. Going to go much higher. Like it'll go higher, but I think a lot of cryptos might outperform it. So did Bitcoin wick above all-time high today? It did not. Hey, Alex, what's your riskiest investment right now? What is my riskiest investment right now? Maybe this Babolex. I watched the Blockchain Boys video and bought an NFT. My first real NFT. I'd like threw pennies at some. And so the floor price is rising in general. I bought mine at 3.8 Solanas, and now it's at 6. The floor price is at 6. So thoughts on Hex? Ooh, man, Hex is dumping, man. So I don't know. Like I still own my Hex that I'm staking until 2025. I guess, it's either going to be 0 or a lot of money. So can send XLM from Coinbase to Kucoin. There we go. To save something. Thank you for that tip. That's a great tip. What's Shiba going to by the end of the year? It's difficult with that whale. You're all at the mercy of the whale, with the 5 billion. My prediction last week was 0.0002. So what's your most recent investment, most recent sale? The NFT that I was just talking about. Thinking of getting more XPR. Would it be worth it? What do you think? I don't know anything about XPR, and I'm assuming you're talking about XPR, not XRP. So dot price target like $200. Good afternoon, Cesar. You're welcome for the reply. Oh man, struggling here. Is now a good time to buy Litecoin? Yes. And you suggest I should sell Litecoin as you mentioned, short-term crypto, January or so. Good afternoon, Max. Thoughts on Cadena? I've been talking a lot about it. I know it's pumping like crazy. Don't chase a green candle, but I think it's going to do well. I think it's going to get to the top 30. Is Pi going to be anything? I don't think so. What's up, M888? X-curve price prediction 10x from here. I'm trying to figure out quant when Bitcoin pumps, quant drops. Yeah, quant is its own kind of beast, It's really frustrating. So is XYO going to pop? I think XY is going to 20 cents. Omax Token. What is Omax Token? I don't know anything about it. So got to hand it to you, Alex. You answer the same questions every day. Yeah, thank you. Thoughts on Theta? I think Theta is going to $50. I have heard of Alliance Block. I don't know enough. Partnered with Quant and HBAR. That sounds good. Planning on creating a bridge from TradFi and DeFi. All right. What's your thoughts? Yeah, $50. Timeline on the course. I'm halfway done with my course. I'll be done in a couple weeks. VXV dip after Kucoin listing. Ooh, you know what? It pumped after people heard that it was going to get listed on Kucoin, and then it kind of dumped, and now it's just doing well. I think it's just doing well right now. All right, thoughts on Axie. Follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and guys, you got to be following me on TikTok. I'm telling you. For Bitcoin analysis, everything follows Bitcoin. So Axie is at $150. I don't have any predictions for Axie. It's gone up like so crazily over the last year. So I just don't know what to say. But sure, higher. What's up, Slice of Butter? And let's see. So is this crypto crazy only every day, 3 to 4 years for the cycle, or is it going to be yearly? It's every 3 or 4 years. Yeah, Quant's going down again. Yep. Chainlink prediction for December, I'll say January, $100. Hey, Papa Cap, Mondays are really busy for me. So just, consider it a blessing if you've been looking forward to my live streams, and I actually go live on Monday. Mondays are rough. So Jake, what is this Bitcoin top that you're talking about? I see your question over and over again. This $75,000 to $85,000 Bitcoin top. I mean, are you watching the blockchain backer? Is that where you're getting that? I don't agree with that. So you're holding, Chainlink throughout the bear market. I'm holding some Chainlink. There's supply issues. Is Kucoin tricky to use? There's a learning curve. I didn't watch any videos about how to use Kucoin. I just plugged around with it, and got in. So what's up, Clarence? Do you think we need $3 trillion market cap to continue the bull run? I thought we hit 3 trillion, and I think we're going to 10 trillion. So XRP prediction, January, $8 to $10. Dogelon Mars, no thoughts. Litecoin's looking good today. Yes, sir. Want to buy 5K cake, but I don't know if now or wait 1 year after the peak to buy at $10 to $15 per one cake. Fan, I mean, it'll go up throughout this run. I have $60,000 worth of cake, and I am not selling yet. I will sell later and then buy a lot back in the bear market. So a whale today bought 1.3 trillion Shiba Inu. I think that's great news. That's fantastic for SHIB holders. So Chamath, yeah, what about Chamath? Any price prediction on Hex and Reef? No predictions for Hex. Hex is just weird. And Reef, I don't know enough. Quant and Dot thoughts. Quant is struggling. I see that. Dot going to $200. I think Quant will be fine, but I know it's struggling. Yeah, vet 50 cents, but no, more than 50 cents. My friends expect a crash to 50K. That's about where I expect. Oh, are you talking about right now? I don't think so. No. You don't think there will be a 30 to 40% correction at 75 to 85K for Bitcoin? Not that high of a correction. Jake, watch my for my thoughts on that. Watch my video, Bitcoin November update. I think there will be a 25% correction this month, but I think it's going to go higher than 75 to 85K. Love the Solana study. Thank you. Do you have a tutorial on using Pancake Swap? Cesar, I made a YouTube video about a month ago on how to stake cake in Pancake Swap. And so if you follow those first steps, and you'll gain a great deal of information on that. Yeah, beat the whales. Should I sell my AMC shares for Litecoin? Sure. Rapid predictions are awesome. Thank you. GrowDAO. I don't know anything about GrowDAO or Loom or Cpool. Wait, Cpool. Oh man, I don't remember if I looked up Cpool or not. I can't tell you enough. So can Doge get back to 72 cents? I would think that it is, it's 50-50. Dot's forming a bullish flag. Yeah, I think you're right about that. What do you think about Fractal Protocol? I bought some. Listen, I mean, that's a micro cap, or I don't know how small cap it is, but I own some on Kucoin that I'm looking at for short-term gains, and I think that it'll 10x at some point. I hope soon, but probably not soon. Still like $2 for XLM, yes. Do you know anything about Jasmy? I don't, sorry. Is Quant buy at $255? I mean, I've been saying under $300 is a good price for Quant, but, it keeps on going down. So, maybe that's a good time to get in, Thoughts on Live Peer, don't know enough. Mina's very speculative right now. The technology for Mina doesn't exist. Does that mean it's going to go higher? It's not going to go higher. It will go higher. It's like Cardano. People buy Cardano on the hope that Cardano will become what they say it's going to become. I look at Mina the same way. Let's see. KuCoin is easy, guys. Good. Litecoin's at 165 pounds. I'm new to crypto, so I am slightly unsure. Is this a good time to buy? And what is your price prediction? My price prediction is $1,500. So, and that's, in January that it'll get there. I mean, is it a good time to buy? I mean, I would say so. Should I sell Bitcoin and spread funds to alts? I'm never going to recommend that. There are plenty of other people who will recommend that. And that's not me saying no. My purpose, my principle is that I'm not going to recommend that to you. But again, that is not a no. That's not a no. Will alts be very volatile or consistently increasing weekly till December? They're going to be volatile. I know it seems obvious to hold January for taxes, but any thoughts that taxes could increase with regulation? Better to sell in December. Tata, I don't think you're going to have to worry about selling. I'm not a tax professional. But I don't think you're going to have to worry about that for 2022. 2023, maybe. When do you think Chamath would dump on Solana holders? I have no idea, but I would think that if there's a day that I think, all right, Bitcoin has peaked, I'm selling all my Solana. So concerned about being able to get my investment out of KuCoin. Have you tried that yet? I haven't. I'm assuming it's just a simple transfer. I know. All right, let's see. What's up, brother? Hope it's all good with you. Thank you, Smoke Sun. Thoughts on Michael Saylor? I like him. I mean, please, it seems like he's not going to ever sell his Bitcoin. His one out of, he owns one out, or MicroStrategy owns one out of every 210 Bitcoin in existence. So please don't sell your Bitcoin ever. Will Solana outperform ETH? I don't think so. It's already done so much over the last year. Thoughts on Cardano? Don't chase a green candle. Will Litecoin outperform ETH in the next few months? I very much think so, yes. I'm not talking about Christmas coin right now, not while I'm live on TikTok. FTM after this cycle, I don't know. I don't know what it's going to go down to. Guys, if you're following me, if you're watching this live stream on TikTok and you're not following me, I would strongly recommend it. Obviously, I would strongly recommend it, but I have been the most accurate Bitcoin analyst. There's people who have been much more accurate on other things than me, but Bitcoin in particular, I have been the most accurate person on this platform. I'm certain of it. So, AMP predictions, 50 cents. Answered that. How's Christmas coin? We can talk about that later. Thoughts on elongated cycle? Seems some opinions on this. Would like to hear yours. I do not believe. I don't believe in lengthening cycles to the extent that some other people believe in that. The thing that I'm seeing is that we're having an earlier halvening every 4 years, and then the peak is like a little bit later every 4 years. Basically, what am I thinking? The peak is a little bit later every 4 years. So far, we've had two peaks to look at, and I expect the same thing to happen this time around. So, oh man, okay, give me a second. End of year Matic prediction, January, $8 or so. Quant price prediction. I mean, I don't do price predictions for quant, but I still expect it to go over 1,000 at least. So, what's up with Litecoin? Same predictions. Litecoin's pumping today. I'm just very bullish. I mean, Litecoin, look at the Litecoin Bitcoin chart. Look what it does. It has these explosive moves. What's your exit strategy? Sorry, man, where was that? For when the bull market ends. Hey, Pastor James, what's up, man? Exit strategy for when the bull run ends. I'm not selling my Bitcoin. The Bitcoin is 25% of my portfolio. I'll hold on to that 25%. I will sell some of my ETH. I'm selling everything. Like, I'll sell a little bit of my Binance, a little bit of my Chainlink, and none of my HBAR, but I don't have a ton of HBAR, but I'm selling everything else, all of everything else to buy back in the bear market. So Meta Hero, altcoin that can easily 10x. There's no easy 10x. I mean, there's 10x's, yes, but I'm not going to say easily 10x. You got to look bottom of the top 100 at the very highest in market cap. So why doesn't Link go up like others? I don't know. It's a slow mover. And something about developers keep cashing out, messing up price. Maybe, I'm not sure. So is Cake really risky? Should I get in now or wait for the bear market? I mean, short-term gains, get in now. Bear market, I think it's going to be a great one to get into. Quant, talked a lot about Quant. Ecomi, there's one that I think could 10x. So thank you, Emilio. I will get to thank you for that super chat. I'll get to that in a second. Where do you see AMP in January? Like 50 cents. ADA thoughts, $8. How high is Algo? I think it's going to $7. Thank you, Slice of Butter. When are you expecting to see Alt Moon? I think this month, throughout the month, we're going to see Alt Moon. I mean, have alts not been moving? I would sell all my Solana. Because of that, because of what I talked about in my most recent YouTube video. Check that out. Are we about to enter a crypto super cycle? Solana, a case study. I'm selling all my Solana. Have you heard of Super Farm? I have not. I mean, I have, but I don't know anything about it. So keep hearing that the bear market is going to be different this time around. Don't believe that lie. It's going to be a little bit better, slightly better than the last bear market. The last bear market was brutal. So prediction for VET, 50 cents or so, probably higher than that. HNT prediction, should I cash out? HNT is up big time. I think you should cash out some. Take profits. Don't cash out. You don't have to cash out all the way. Zilliqa prediction, $1, $1.50. Where to buy Meta Hero? I have no idea. Mana, $10 to $15. What do you expect for the rest of the week? I expect it to be a good week. And prediction, 50 cents. UMA, nothing, sorry. Good metaverse coin to get at this moment. I think Mana is a good one. We're seeing a bullish, man. We saw it peak, and then the movement since then, the descending wedge, descending channel, I mean, looks like I think it's going to pop again. Top 3 picks on Binance. I don't use Binance. I use Trust Wallet. It has similar features. So do you think there will be another pump on Shiba again? Maybe at the end. I don't think for the rest of this month. So Hero is on Kucoin. Okay. Shiba Inu prediction. I don't even know why I read that. Sorry. 0.0002. When Bitcoin hits peak, it will drop like a stone or float down like a feather. It's going to shoot up really quickly. All right. Based on past performance, It could be a rounded top like in May, you know, but I think it's going to be a blow off top. It's going to shoot up very quickly, shoot down, and then float down like a feather. So what's a good Canadian platform? I don't know. IO, I'm a crower, not a shower. Okay. Sushi is literally just so ready. All right. When is Ethereum going to 67K? I think maybe the end of the month. And are you referring to Chainlink's token supply release suppressing price when you said it may have problems during the bear market? I didn't say that. I was reading somebody else's comment. Is Litecoin a pickup in the bear market? Yes, there's certain times that Litecoin will be a good one to buy. Do you think this is the floor for XDC? I have not looked at XDC's charts. Thoughts on how to set up a Roth IRA to buy crypto? Dan Pena. Hey, Dan Pena. Bitcoin's going to zero. I don't know. I'm sorry. What are you buying on Kucoin? I haven't looked into. I talked about what I have on Kucoin, but I don't have any purchases that I'm looking at right now. Is Bitcoin going to 200K plus? I believe so. I love Kucoin. Why are you trying to get out? I'm not getting out. What's up with Quant at the moment? It's struggling. Would you rather hold more of XLM or Zilliqa? Ooh, maybe Zilliqa. All right. I know you can't talk about it right now on TikTok, but the Christmas coin chart looks like it could pop soon. Okay, good. I'll talk about that later. Is now a good time to dollar cost average into Bitcoin, or should I wait for a pullback? Now is not a good time to dollar cost average. Hey, E. Davidson, now is a good time for short-term gains. I've talked about this ever since Bitcoin crossed the $60,000 barrier. I would say now is the time for short-term gains, not for long-term holding. So Batcoin up 20% today on Solana news. I haven't looked into that, but it sounds good. What coins would you buy with $1,000? Litecoin and Ethereum. FTM price prediction $10 to $15. Best place to learn is YouTube. Would you keep holding 2 Aave or convert them to AMP or XLM? Maybe some of that to AMP. What will be your strategy in the alt season? Will you switch coins in alt season? I will. Yeah, I'm not going to do it a ton because I'm a little, I want to be cautious because last time in the spring when things went crazy, we skipped alt season and went straight to meme coin season. And I don't think that's going to happen again, but I just don't want to mess up with that. All right. Sorry, give me a second. Solana bear market price, I think $100 to $200. When does Ethereum peak and where is it go? I think it's going to go to $1,500. So let's see. Sorry, I have to go back down to the bottom of the YouTube chat, and I'm sorry if I missed any questions there, but do you use Brave Browser? I don't. I tried, and I gave up on it. So Zilliqa is not being used. Will it affect the price? There's anything that's going on right now. Oh, crap. Will Bitcoin bear market affect low cap coins? Oh, yeah. Yeah. So, all right, man. Oh my goodness. Chat's way too hot. So bring on the bears. You only have $1,000. What would you put it into? Litecoin and Ethereum are expecting the alts to stay steady while Bitcoin is moving. I think they'll go up. So what's your preferred wallet? So many choices. I really like Voyager. I like, what else do I like? Avalanche. I like KuCoin. I like Crypto.com. I just bought 3K in Solana. That blows. Okay. Is there a fundamental reason for Bitcoin following 2013, 2017 movements? It's a good question. Hey. It's just been doing it. It's been doing it. And I think it's going to continue to do it. All right. I am going to hop off of the TikTok live stream for now. If you want to continue with the live stream, hop on over to YouTube, World War Bitcoin, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will answer any questions that you have there. But yeah, hey, to answer your question again, we've had a bullish hammer in July, August is a good month, September's flat, and October was a good month, and November so far has been good, $5,000 up in 8 days, and it looks like we're just following those same patterns. So dot predictions, $200. My lives are crazy. Yes, they are. All right, so I am off of TikTok. And if you want to talk about Nanocoin or any of those cryptocurrencies, it's fine to do it right now. I know you aren't selling your Bitcoin. We sell your ETH. Yeah, Jamie, lives are crazy right now. I will sell some of my ETH. Yeah, I was planning on holding. It depends on ETH 2.0. If ETH 2.0 is going to launch anytime soon, I'm not selling any of my ETH. What's up, Jerry? Hello. All right, Litecoin EOM prediction, maybe 300, 350. I don't like doing end of month predictions, but there we go. ETH 15,000. Rune prediction higher, but no prediction for me. Selling alts in December or January. Yeah, 15K ETH you meant. Let's see. AVAX. Oh, man. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, 15,000 ETH, not 1,500. Yep. ASM, don't know enough. Will you be live on the bear market? I'm going to, yeah, absolutely. I will. So, let's see. DOT, $200. Anchor, $1. How high can Hedera go this month, and should I sell some? I'm not going to, I mean, I wouldn't sell. I think it'll go higher in January, but I mean, what can I say for this month? I have no idea. I know that HBAR is doing well today. And so maybe I'll say 60 cents or something, but I don't know. Am I invested in VXV? I am. When's the bear market? I just purchased Litecoin. I think Litecoin's going to peak in January and then go down after that. XDC price prediction, none, but it'll outperform XLM and XRP. Would XLM be a good short-term investment right now? It's been a slow mover. A lot of those coins that went through the last bull run that haven't gotten beyond their previous all-time highs are moving pretty slowly, but I think they'll have their day. So there's an all-time chart. Barely didn't go by its all-time high. Thank you, Raphael. Is Solana a good hold until Bitcoin peaks? Yes. Win VXV to $100 in January. Thank you. What do you think about Neo? I think that's another one that will have its time. It's a little older of a cryptocurrency, but it'll go back to its all-time high. Luna or Neo for short-term, Neo for long-term Luna. Thank you, Raphael. Let's see. DCA and bear market, one big investment at the bottom. DCA. Well, it just depends on the cryptocurrency, which I am working on a bear market buying guide. Metaverse coin to get at the moment. I'm going to be boring and say mana. Radix top 50 market cap. Okay. Do you think this is the floor for XDC? I've not looked at an XDC chart in a very long time. I'm sorry. What about Matic? When will it start moving? I don't know. You know, I'm bullish on Matic in general, but I mean, I still think it's going to $8. And when Matic moves, it moves aggressively. So dot prediction, end of cycle, $8. Chili's bullish. Everything is going to go up. I mean, I'm hesitant to say Chili's because they essentially just make meme coins. But sure, yeah, I'm bullish on Chili's. Anchor to $1, $1.50. Am I a believer in Elrond? Sorry, $1 for Anchor. I am a believer in their tokenomics. I have not done a deep dive fundamentally into that. So are you selling alts in December or January after Bitcoin passes? January and 50 cents. Should I buy one ETH as soon as there's some pullback? I would not wait for dips right now. I think your chances of missing out are higher if you wait for a dip than if you were to just buy right now and then wait for a dip or something. MTV, Multivac, don't know enough. Sorry. I need to show some low cap coins, please. Show some low cap. I mean, I'm in Fractal. I'm in Smooth Love Potion. How about those? Thoughts on FCL and Kucoin? CVO said a possible 100 to 200x. I'm holding on to it for that possibility. All right, let's talk about Santa. Okay, sorry, give me a second. Where was that? Oh, man, I'm so far behind. All right, I'm going back down to the bottom. Sorry, I wish I could respond to every single question here, but it's gotten to the point where I can't. But let's look at Santa Coin, Kucoin. Here we go. So, all right, here's the deal. I'm gonna take a couple minutes to talk about Santa, just so you know. So don't you fret. So Santa's, it dumped from a few days ago. It's the amount of BUSD I'm accumulating in my wallet. It's like I'm going to get all my investment back. If things stay flat, I'm going to get my investment back in a couple months. Like a month or two. And I'm fine with that. And so, but I do expect Santa to go much higher. I said in Friday's live stream that I think it's going to take about 8 days after that initial dump for 8 days, maybe even longer than that, maybe a couple weeks And then we'll see Santa take another run. I compared it to the Safe Moon chart. There was some FUD on Sunday. The developer doxed himself and did a live in AMA, and people were a bunch of racists. He's black. I don't know. I didn't look at the AMA, but he is. I mean, I'm serious. Like, people were being racist. Somebody commented on one of my videos and said, "Get out of Santa. The developer is a Nigerian." And let me tell you something. I have 3 good friends who are Nigerians. I know that there's the Nigerian prince scam thing. I have 3 good friends who are Nigerians, and they are 3 of the most brilliant men that I have ever met in my life. All right, one of them is a Harvard professor. Okay, so just because he's Nigerian, I don't even know if he's Nigerian, but just because he's Nigerian, if that's the case, that is not a convincing enough argument for me. You racist. I'm going to stop there. All right, so I'm still holding all of my Santa. I bought a little more. I am happy holding it. I expect this to go much higher, and I expect to make a lot of money on it. But really, man, don't sell all your Santa. Remove this video because the person who made it is Nigerian. That's just insane. It's nonsense. All right, all of them, Eva, what? All right, SLP price prediction, at least a 10x. Mana prediction, $10 to $15. 20K portfolio, 5K in USD. Suggestions on what to buy. Litecoin, Ethereum. I did not get banned on TikTok. I was just, I shut it down. It was just too intense. So should I keep holding 6,000 XLM, or should I convert into AMP or ZIL or both? Maybe split it up in thirds. So, hold 2,000 XLM, put a third into AMP, third into ZIL. Yep, Mana answered that. 10K YOLO. Tell me where. Thank you. Litecoin. Do you think Safe Moon will run again? I think it's going to go back to its all-time high. Check out Poodle. I got excited about Poodle earlier in the year. I just this past weekend sold all of it, and of course, I'm sure. Let's see what Poodle's up to. Oh, it's not doing much. All right, you got me excited there for a second. Yeah, Poodle's. All right, it's making a little bit of a rally. So get them. Where to buy Santa Pancake Swap? Nigerians are hardworking hustlers and very good in STEM fields. Yeah, they are. Well said. Thank you. Thank you. What do you get, Santa? Yeah, Pancake Swap. I was banned from their Telegram a couple weeks ago just for mentioning maybe get the site going before shilling people's lives. All right. Yeah. I know a lot of people are like, report. So thank you, Jay Wellington. You said you're in Fractal. What price do you think it'd get to? 10x at least. Do you expect Santa to go past all-time high? I do, yes. Much higher. Fractal price prediction, yeah, 10x at least. Where am I? Litecoin reached 500 end of this month. Maybe. What can you say about Dogecoin? Where am I, man? Sorry. All right. What's up, Danny? Wish I put 10K for short-term gains. Oh, just put it somewhere. Everything's going to pump. I'm talking about Litecoin. I'm saying that's a good one. That question, I have nightmares about that question. Hold XLM or transfer. Yeah, all right. Transfer to Solana or Litecoin. I think XLM is going to do fine. $2 to $3. I've been saying $2 to $3. That's, and 6x, 7x. That's going to outperform the rest of the market, in my opinion. Will Chili's 10x this run? I have no idea. So, yeah, the site wasn't loading at the time. I understand that. Yeah. Is there a coin you would purchase at this point in the market? And if so, which 5 coins, man? There's just so many. It's like put this website on a, print it out, put it on a dartboard, throw a dart. But Litecoin, I could see, VeChain still has some room to go up. Man, I'm sorry. I'm going to stop there. Zilliqa, Telcoin. What can you say about Dogecoin? I'm a little bit nervous about Dogecoin. It's gone up so much. Since it peaked at 1.7 cents in January of 2018, and then 72 cents. That's an insane gain. Little size Litecoin, yeah. Zilliqa, $1.50. What do you think about Maker? Maker has the potential to have explosive moves. There's only 1 million maker in existence, so there could be some kind of a supply crunch, you know. Yeah, 3 coins to buy: Litecoin, Zilliqa, Telcoin. Do you think ETH will struggle to pass 5K? Not necessarily. I don't think that's like a crazy milestone that people are looking at. All right, looking at NDAO. Oh, sorry. Yeah, let's see. Emilio, NDAO chart saw went up 150% in less than a minute. Looked into it, saw it was because of Telegram Kucoin pump chat. Are they legal? They're probably legal, but I don't know. I would stay away from those because a lot of those pump groups are groups that, you know, the people behind the groups are like, all right, we're going to pump this coin up, and they take advantage of it and just dump it, you know? So thoughts on Nanocoin? I'm not a believer in Nano. It's just, you know, it keeps dropping in market cap. I think it's going to continue to drop. So Litecoin or Cardano, easily Litecoin. 70K Bitcoin this week. You know what? I'm gonna say yes. I'm guessing yes. So, all right, it's literally one button to press to see where you can buy any coin. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Clark? I'm doing well. Been in VeChain since 7 cents, and maybe take 50% off at 0.5. Yeah, I think 50 or 20. Either way, I think that's good. I'd say 25%. Should I sell all my altcoins at the high or only a percentage? I'm selling all of them except for a handful. NFTs and AR app dropping soon. That's why. Why for what? How come no one mentioned SHIB? Lots of people have mentioned SHIB. You know, I mean, somebody mentioned that a whale bought like 1.4 trillion. So that's a good sign. Litecoin, yeah, I answered that. That's exactly what I did. Okay, Altura and Palk don't know enough. XYO 20 cents. Should I wait, look for Litecoin dip or buy now? In general, the answer to that question is buy now. And there's very rare times when I would say buy now over wait for a dip. But right now, for any cryptocurrency that you're trying to get into, I would say buy now. I was on the Nanocoin AMA and Ezekiel made me want to buy more. All right, that's awesome. Yeah. Somebody asked if I think Nanocoin will 10x from here or can 10x. I think it will, yes. Let's see, that's exactly what I did. I YOLO 10K on Litecoin, okay. What day of the week are you predicting 70K? I mean, listen, somebody just asked me that and I said, sure, yeah. So a day of the week, that's too much of a, like, what, I mean, you're gonna hold me to that? I hope I wouldn't expect you to hold me to that, but all right, I'll say Thursday. How about that? Thursday. All right, kind of dumb question. If I put 200 in a coin, it would 10x. Would I make 2,000 off of 200? Your 200 would turn into 2,000. So look at Polka City, undervalued gem. Some point I will, maybe. That being said, he unbanned me. Okay, good. Okay, good. Sorry, I was a little loud there. Are you excited for bear market to come? I'm very excited, Weston. Yeah. Good to see you again, Weston. Anchor, $1, $1.50. No, $1. Xcur price prediction, 10x. That's all I got. So, all right. Thank you, Christian, for doing excellent mod work. Think I can get bigger gains off of 100 of Chainlink or Santa? I mean, the potential for bigger gains is certainly with Santa. Chainlink's more of a sure thing, much more of a sure thing, because it's more established and it's not a meme coin. But my guess would be Santa. Is your course going to be in videos? Yes, another day it will. How do I update my Santa coin on Trust Wallet showing me 12 billion? You can't. That's an error with coinmarketcap.com. And last I saw that they're going to fix it within 1 business day. That was over the weekend, so it should be fixed soon. I am not still banned on TikTok. I'm just live on YouTube now. So just went all in Litecoin about 500 coins. You think that was a smart move? I mean, I think Litecoin's going to kill it. I'm very confident about that. I talked about that on my Twitter account, which, by the way, if you're not following me on Twitter, please follow me. So let me just read my tweet. But at the same time, all in, if that's all that you own, I'm not a YOLO kind of guy. I want to spread it out. I own 30 different cryptocurrencies, and that's how I roll. And so even though I'm very bullish on Litecoin, I own lots of other things. It's not my biggest holding. So when Litecoin, I get this question multiple times a day, my typical answer has been after Bitcoin has a confirmed breakthrough its all-time high. FYI, I'm as confident about a Litecoin breakout in its Bitcoin pair as I am about anything else, if not more so. Patience to those who are holding. Did you say Fractal could be a 10-bagger? Yeah, I think so. Will SHIB drop a 0 soon? I don't know about soon, but December, January. What's up, Tayab? Block, 10x. Zilliqa, $1.50. Why Nanocoin? What made you buy? I was very intrigued by the BUSD rewards. And I remember in the spring, the energy with which people were shilling Safe Moon and Shiba Inu, and I saw that same kind of energy with Nanocoin, and so I was like, all right, I'm gonna buy some. So, you think gaming crypto like Engine, Sandbox, VRA, Illuvium will have a bear market? I do believe so. And because it's not just, it's not the people who are gaming. Yeah, they get their rewards in that cryptocurrency, but people are also buying it. Like people are buying Axie Infinity. And so they're going to stop buying and they're going to sell. They're going to sell the peak. And so I think so, yeah. Thank you, Christian. AVAX. Man, I've been saying AVAX $200. But here's the deal with AVAX that I'm seeing. You see it at $90 right now. AVAX has been pumping like crazy. And I think that has to do with the Wonderland time stuff. People, it's on Avalanche's platform. You have to buy Avalanche to get access to those 70,000% staking rewards with Wonderland. And so that's the entry point. And I've seen this with Binance. I've seen it with PancakeSwap. Any time a cryptocurrency becomes an entry point for access to other cryptocurrencies, that cryptocurrency has potential to pump like crazy because people don't care about the price of that cryptocurrency. They're using it to get access to other cryptocurrencies. And so that is what's happening with Avalanche right now. And that is very bullish for the next few months as people are hopping on this trend. So $200 is probably too conservative. Yeah, Trias. I said Trias. Yep. Should have hopped in October, like Alex said. Yes. Should have been all in. I did say that. So, oh my goodness, I'm so far behind. Bear market February. I mean, I think things are going to peak in January for alts and December for Bitcoin. Yeah, Zillintel. Helium price prediction. I don't have one. Very bullish. Why is Nanocoin showing all I've messed in Trust Wallet? Yeah, shows I'm a billionaire. They'll fix it. Dot to 200, I believe so. Did you hear about VRA esports? No, I haven't. That sounds amazing. Do you know why Cadena pumped so hard this week? Cadena, from everything that I'm doing a little bit, light research, Cadena is awesome. Maybe that's why. So Litecoin, can it really go up? Yes, it will. Confident. Will you ever do a portfolio reveal? I mean, if you watch all my TikToks, eventually you'll probably end up seeing all of my portfolio. So when Bitcoin and ETH will alts follow or will alts pump after? I mean, they're pumping now, but yeah, they'll pump after. Not after Ethereum. Ethereum is not going to be the first to peak after Bitcoin. So Solana January prediction. I think Solana could peak in December. So I think $600 or so. Parsec, don't know enough. Quant or Litecoin? I'd say Litecoin for short term, Quant for long term. Glitch price prediction. I don't have one. I don't know anything about Glitch. Why is helium going down after a pump? No idea. I don't pay attention to the chart. XLM, VeChain, or Chainlink? I'll say VeChain. When do we see Cardano hit $8? Maybe next month. Again, I mean, I know that sounds crazy, but I think things are going to go parabolic. So purchase Santa, it showed it went through on Trust Wallet. I added it and still never transferred over. And it showed it went through on Trust Wallet. I added it and it still never transferred. It wouldn't transfer over. It would just be adding I'm sorry, I don't know what to say, Norris. It is in there. And if you try selling it on PancakeSwap, and you'll see that you have it somewhere in there. So I could see Litecoin hit 2K in January. I could see that too. So Sky, any are good. Oh, okay, yeah. Yes, Santa, your late September tweet helped me a lot with looking at the charts with what I thought potentially seeing how far back I need to be looking. Great. That's great news. Gate token thoughts. I don't know anything about Gate token. Hodge predictions higher, but I'm not looking at that chart. I'm not in it. What's the best Nanocoin play if it 10x? Should I sell or for gain or keep it and ride the BUSD reflections? You should probably take some profits. I mean, that's what people are doing. That's their actions. All right, Nanocoin is a meme coin. And I don't talk about meme coins very much, but I'm curious. I'm curious to see what happens with this in the bear market. What kind of volume will it hold? Would it hold $100,000 a day volume? I could see that. I could certainly see that. And if it does, if I owned 1% of the float and Nanocoin just dumped really hard, I owned 1% of the float, I've calculated that I'd get about $40 a day. And so maybe that would be like a $10,000 investment to get $40 a day. I think I'd take that, and then maybe next bull run at a pump. So this, believe it or not, Nanocoin might be a bear market hold for me, or at least a bear market buy. TikTok banning you. Yeah, Santa awards are insane. TikTok banning you when you mentioned Santa. No, I'm just playing it safe because my one live stream got banned and I talked a lot about meme coins there. Any thoughts on Happy, 10x, Fractal, FCL? Can you confirm that? Yeah, that's FCL. Thoughts on Polkastarter? I mean, I like it. I like the ability to test things out with your platform on Polkastarter. I don't have any price predictions, but I'm bullish on Polkadot. I'm bullish on Kusama, so I'm bullish on Polkastarter. Any more crap coins you holding? I got, I put some money into. There's a guy who I'm following on Twitter. You guys, a lot of you probably heard of him. Crypto is good, and he's talked about some other ones that he's in on, and so I was like, you know what? I'll throw some money into some of the things that he's talked about. So I know he talked about this one that they're doing okay. They're not doing anything crazy. I don't remember. There's one that's a Win Doge 95. You get paid out. You get, like, instead of BUSD rewards, you get Doge rewards. So thoughts on HBAR? That's a long-term hold for me. $2 this cycle. I'm worried about being able to sell out near all-time highs due to inevitable server shutdown that exchanges will have. Jose, you can't. You've got to take profits along the way up. Don't be greedy. Just take profits. Be content with your profits that you take, and then you won't have to worry about that as much, at least. So, let's see. Yeah, we'll do a week or two. Yep. Is 4,000 HBAR a small bag? It depends on, what about you? What do you think? Is it a small bag? How much of a percentage of a portfolio is that? 4,000 HBAR, that's under $1,000. No, that's over $1,000. I mean, it's fine. It's fine. Got a few coins. Shall I put 500 pounds into Chili's? Why not? Why not? Efinity, nothing. Sorry. Portfolio reveal, not dollar amounts, just percentage. I could do percentage sometime, sure. Next, Drew said, thank you. Got my back on Twitter. Thank you. Do you think the bull market will be extended like we're expecting it December, January? I think December, January. Could it be extended? Sure, it could. But Litecoin USD or Litecoin Bitcoin? So the chart that has me bullish, the chart that has me very bullish right now is the Litecoin Bitcoin chart. Let's take a look at that, but not this one. And, come on, Bitcoin. How about you pump more? All right, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin, BTC, LTC. LTC, BTC. All right, here we go. LTC, BTC. Just the massive 10-year descending wedge. Can I do, I can do a monthly chart here. So, oh my goodness. Sorry, here we go. All right, all time. What I would do is draw a trend line from here down to here and see what happens anytime the Litecoin Bitcoin pair gets this low. Boom. Gets low, boom. That's not an insignificant move. I want to be clear about that. That is not an insignificant move. And so each pump is getting smaller, and what I expect to happen is for it to break out of this descending wedge and have a massive pump on the Litecoin Bitcoin pair, maybe get up to the 0.04. It's 0.003 right now. That would be a 13x or a 12x in comparison to Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin 3x's from here, that would be a 36 to 39x for Litecoin. And should I say I could see that happening? It's possible. That is within the realm of possibility. Dogecoin did the same thing last year. What altcoin do you own most other than Ethereum? Cake. So, oh my goodness, I'm so far behind. 2K in January for Litecoin, just bought 1,700 of it. Excellent. When will you release your course? Hopefully, it's definitely sometime this month. Ramp, I don't know enough about Ramp. Do you think alt season will be over when ETH tops? There'll be a few coins that peak after ETH, but for the most part, it'll be over. Why is Mana doing so poor? No, it's not doing poor. Nope, that's the wrong question. It's not doing poor. It did very well. It pumped like crazy, and now people it's in a descending channel, which means it's going to pump even further. Thank you for keeping your language so family friendly. Yeah, Becky, I have 5 children. They're all 10 and under. I make it a practice of keeping my language family friendly. So thoughts on Matic, $8. Yeah, Christian, thank you so much. Nanocoin team not doxed. No, the Nanocoin developer is doxed. So Bitcoin end of cycle, $200. How can I dump my XRP? Uphold, I'm not sure. Can you sell it on Uphold? So crazy that TikTok bans you, yet some women can go and twerk. Yeah, I'm not going to read the rest, but yes. Have you researched ADA Cash? I have not. Are there any top 100 coins that you aren't bullish on? They will all go up. I mean, except for Tether and USD coin, etc. But they'll all go up. It's just like when if I were to say I'm not bullish on something, I think the crypto market cap has about a little bit more than a 3x in it, maybe even a 4x. And so when I say I'm not bullish on a coin, I'm saying that it won't 3 or 4x. So what could not 3 or 4x? I'm not bullish on Solana right now because of how much, it has 300x more than that in the last year and a half. I just can't see it going that much higher. So Solana price prediction in 5 years, 4 years from now, I think it's going to be where ETH is right now. So yeah, 200K. How's your Kucoin challenge going? I mean, I don't even know how much I started with. I took a screenshot today. I know I'm up. I do as I say, not as I do. I'm doing some leverage trading. I say not to do leverage trading, but I think 5x is fine. So I'm doing a little leverage and I'm up on everything that I've bought. I'm most heavily in Litecoin on that leverage, and I'm up like $2,000 so far on that. So, but I'm also buying some micro caps. Let's see. Hopeful goal for me would be to bank $100 a day after fees. How hard will that be? Bank $100 a day after fees for what? I'm sorry, Smoke Sun, and then you're gonna comment. I don't know what you're talking about. Bank $100 a day after fees. Yeah, sorry. When we start taking profits on Litecoin, maybe January. Yeah, Bitcoin's going up. Good to see. Is Litecoin definitely not a long-term hold? For me, it's not a long-term hold, not at all. When the time comes, what's the cheapest way to cash out with Trust Wallet? I would say transfer out of Trust Wallet and cash out somewhere else. So, oh man. So I just figured my portfolio is 80% on Doge. Ooh, not financial advice. None of this is financial advice. Do your own research before investing your hard-earned money. You can't be 85% in Doge right now. There's something that if you're going to ask if I'm bearish on Doge, again, in comparison to the total crypto market cap, yes, I am bearish on Doge. So it'll go up, but not as much. Cake bear market price under $10. Can't wait for the course. Thank you. Yeah, bear market blues. Yeah. I think it will help. So yeah, definitely a short-term hold. Do you think time can actually replace stable coins? I haven't looked into time aside from the crazy return. So I don't know. All right, what other 2 cryptos I can buy on aside from Litecoin on Coinbase? Jasmy, look at a lot of the low caps will do very well in January. So SLP price prediction 10 to 20x. Good to see you, Juff. Please let this happen. I hope so. Zil TML link Litecoin vet. All right. I'm not seeing the Santa deposits. Do you have BUSD BEP20? It can't be BEP2. It can't be other BUSDs. It has to be BEP20. So you're welcome, Eva. So would Litecoin USD catch up to that 36x? No, the 36x would be Litecoin USD. So Kim Johnson, hello. Why is Quant not pumping? Because Quant does what Quant does. And that's why I'm not all in on any particular cryptocurrency. BNB price prediction like $1,500. Yep, selling it all. Yep. Who's the cream sauce guy on Twitter and TikTok? Cream sauce guy? Oh, are you talking about, crypto is good. That's his name. CVO think Quant can hit $2,600, $3,000 a cycle. So CVO crypto is more bullish than I am in general. Aside from Ethereum for some weird reason, I think that's literally the only cryptocurrency that he's not more bullish on than I am. And so, yeah, he thinks 2,600 to 3,000. Man, that sounds crazy to me, but I hope so. Am I concerned about quant? Never. I will never be concerned about quant. Bullish in Dent, no price predictions. I don't pay attention to Dent, sorry. Bear market prices at 50% of where we are now. No, lower than that, lower. So don't stay only on Coinbase, use Binance, Kucoin. Yeah, Kucoin is easy to sign up for. Use my referral code. I mentioned it in my most recent TikTok. I love CVO, but my boy is super bullish on his calls. He is, and you know what? If he's right, then CVO's the man, you know, and I like his analysis a lot. So will HNT do well in the future? Yeah. Best coin on KuCoin. You don't think of it like that. Honestly, KuCoin is for trading. You've got to do as much research as you can on some of these small cap gems that could like be very explosive. I'd look up every small cap gem on Twitter and see what people are saying and look at their charts and judge for yourself. So yeah, HNT will do very well in the future. When Bitcoin and ETH pump, will alts follow or alts pump after Bitcoin? Yeah, answered that. Solana price target, answered that. Definitely one of the upper tier TA guys, regardless. Yes, he is. Yep. Thank you, Smoke Sun. All right. Let's see. Quant is whack. No, it's not, but loving it. Want to drop more. Okay. VRA prediction. I think it has a 5X in it still. Litecoin bear market price. I don't necessarily have one, but you know, here's something interesting about Litecoin. It bottomed out the same day that Bitcoin bottomed out in December of 2018. I think it was the exact same day, or give or take a day. It bottomed out the same day. So if you buy Bitcoin at the bear market bottom, which I will guide you through in my bear market buying guide, and you know, I'll talk about, hey, I bought Bitcoin today because I think it, you know, on my regular YouTube videos, I bought some Bitcoin today because I think this is close to the bear market bottom. Buy some Litecoin as well. So quant price target, I don't have one. Quant does what quant does. 40% in quant with a 7K portfolio. Should I sell some? Man, all right, 40% for quant is not bad. But you know what, Lil says, I'm gonna tell you, be 20% in quant. I think just given the nature of quant, that it tends to not be correlated with the rest of the crypto market. I would say just don't be as exposed on quant. But again, disclaimer, not financial advice, do your own research. Doge will team up with ETH and go over 100. Watch, bro, to your lips, to your typewriter, to God's ears, please. When is bear market for Bitcoin this month? What? Oh, the lowest price for Bitcoin? I think we're past it. I think, you know, yesterday people were calling for Bitcoin to crash when it was at $60,000, or maybe on Saturday that was the case. So Engine, 5X maybe. Ethereum Classic, 300 or so. Litecoin 36X would have a market cap near Ethereum's right now. And Ethereum's market cap will be higher than where it is now. So Litecoin, now, guys, Litecoin was the number 3 cryptocurrency in the world the last bull run. So could it get to the number 3 cryptocurrency again? I think it could. And I mean, Ethereum, I believe, is more than a 3X from here. So for Litecoin to be 1/3 of Ethereum's market cap, that is possible. It's possible. When you talk about alt season, are you targeting any time in January? Early January, more so early than late. So could alt peak at 12:01 a.m. January 1st? It's gonna be random, Adam. Yep. Will retail investors have time to get out in January? Yes. But if you see things explode, if you see a cryptocurrency that you hold explode in January, I would recommend, don't worry about timing it. Just sell all of it to the last dime. Yeah, XRP at $10. Would being 85% Litecoin good then? No. I wouldn't be any 85% on anything. What if I'm wrong? You know, I'm very confident about this. But remember that quote from the beginning of The Big Short, it's not what you don't know that gets you in trouble. It's what you know for sure that just ain't so. What if I'm wrong? Where are you from? I'm from the Midwest of the United States, or at least I live there. I was born in Massachusetts. My mom was born in Portugal. My dad, it was the first of his country born in the United States. The rest of his family was born in Cape Verde. Thoughts on AMP 50 cents? Do you think VET will reach $1 this cycle? I think it's possible. Yeah. All right. How do you plan to cash out gains from Kucoin? I'm just going to transfer out of Kucoin. I might convert it all to Bitcoin before I leave and then transfer out. Thoughts on Hollow? I think it's going to go to 10 or 20 cents. All right, I am going down to the bottom of the chat. I'm going to be done for today. I'm exhausted, and I have a meeting tonight. It's going to be very stressful, so I need to just take a nap or something. All right, so I'm ending with KO13. I'm starting with KO13's comment and moving up. I'm sorry for the rest of you. I normally would be more careful, or whatever. KO13. I'm moving up. SCUSD. I'm looking into Kucoin. SCU has good utility. I'm sorry, I don't know anything about Kucoin. Is it good to sell? Idea to sell quant and buy Litecoin? All right, answer that question. Don't be a bag holder. Yeah, Saitama, don't know enough. Thank you. I'm always gaining knowledge in your class. Better not find nobody in my seat. Nice. Thoughts on Santa with the current chart looks bullish. Let me see. I mean, I wouldn't say that looks necessarily bullish. I mean, I'm seeing a pattern here of higher highs and lower lows. So maybe, got a higher low here. So maybe we're going to move back up. Maybe, yeah, so maybe it is bullish. I'm talking myself into it. So am I in the stock market? A little bit. I'm 90% in crypto though right now. And in the bear market, I'll be more in the stock market. Can AMP 10X? I believe so, yeah. ICP chart looks similar with Shiba before pump. You see a possible pump in ICP? I do. Yep. I think it's going to hit $300, $200, something like that. When will Litecoin peak? January, in my opinion. What do you expect 23 to look like? I think it's going to be the most depressing time because, we won't have the Bitcoin having to look forward to in 2023. That's coming in 2024. And a lot of people are going to be like, crypto's dead. And I'll be like, okay, cool. I'm just going to keep buying. If CVO is right, then I'm bullish on Lambo VW stock Q1 2022. All right. Yes, that's a great comment. Alexander, do you think next cycle would be different because of institutions? Nope. Oh wait, next cycle. Yeah, I think next cycle could be different. Cadena, very bullish on Cadena. I could see it going to top 30, but no price predictions. All right, do I think Axie will crash along with Bitcoin or stay afloat better? I think it's going to crash along with Bitcoin. That might be a minority opinion. People buy Axie. They're going to sell Axie. Whales will dump their holdings. So how does illiquid supply reduce the amount needed to reach a certain Bitcoin price? I heard you mention it on a live once. How does illiquid supply reduce the amount needed? All right. Yeah. Okay. Let me just use an example. If let's say there were 10 Mona Lisas, and I'm going to try to, if you were to try to purchase, how much is the Mona Lisa right now? I Googled that and it's worth $860 million. But let's just say for simplicity's sake that it's worth $1 billion. And let's say that there were 10 Mona Lisas, and when they were all painted, they were all worth a penny. And then let's say in the year 1900, somebody paid $10 for a Mona Lisa. That means the market cap of all of the Mona Lisas was $100, even though the total amount paid for those Mona Lisas was $10.09. And then let's say in 1950 somebody paid $100 for one Mona Lisa. That I'm not answering your question now that I think about it, but the entire market cap of the Mona Lisa was of all the Mona Lisas is now $1,000, even though the amount paid for all those Mona Lisas was $110.08. And you see where I'm going with this. 10 Mona Lisas, one person pays $1 billion for a Mona Lisa. That's a $10 billion market cap, even though only one Mona Lisa was bought for $1 billion. And so if only one Mona Lisa is for sale, that causes a restriction on it to the point where there's more competition for that one Mona Lisa. And that's going to cause the price of that one Mona Lisa to go up. And so, again, you take out liquid supply, make it illiquid, and you have more competitors for these few cryptocurrencies. So I am answering your question. That's going to cause a supply squeeze. So hold Crow or transfer for Litecoin. Maybe transfer some for Litecoin. Sorry. Alex and CVO are the best. Thank you. All right, I'm done. Thank you. And thank you, Christian. It's already hard enough. So have a great day. Cheers to you all. Peace out. Much love.